Hello wine enthusiasts, and welcome back to the Hawkhaven Winery channel. Today we're going to be talking about wine cellaring and just some different techniques and proper ways that you can do that to ensure that you are properly storing your wine. We'll be sharing some of our top tips for aging wine to ensure that you are getting the best tastes and aromas. An important thing to note though is that most wines don't require additional cellaring or aging. Many of the wines that you're going to find in liquor stores or even here at Hawkhaven Winery are meant to be opened and enjoyed. Sometimes though we do release wines that could benefit from a little extra time in the bottle, but aging a wine can be simple. All you really need is a little space, a plan, and plenty of patience. So here are our 5 tips for storing wine. Before we get into the tips though, don't forget to subscribe if you are new here to this channel. We are releasing more content like this, so be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and subscribe for more content. Our first tip, we have to talk about the temperature in which you are storing your wine. Wine should be stored in a cool, constant temperature environment, and this is ideally between 55 and 58 degrees Fahrenheit. Tip number 2, let's give a little bit of attention to the humidity. Aim for a humidity level between 60 and 70%. Too dry and the cork might shrink, too damp and the mold can grow. So that humidity plays an important part in storing your wine. Next up, let's talk about light. Light can actually damage and deteriorate a wine. So it is important to make sure that you are storing your bottles in a dark place away from windows or bright lights. Tip number 4, let's talk about position. Be sure to store your wine horizontally to keep the cork moist and prevent air from entering the bottle, which could spoil the wine. Our last tip for you is patience, which I actually mentioned towards the beginning of the video. This is such an important step. Make sure to ask questions. Ask the winemaker or winery staff how long they recommend the wine to be aged, and then do your best to resist opening it until the time is right. Trust us, it's worth the wait. And there you have it. Those are our top tips for successful wine cellaring. Cheers to perfectly aged wine. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you like the video if you did enjoy it. Leave us a comment below as well, letting us know that you watched it, and subscribe for more content like this if you are interested in more wine wisdom. Enjoy your cellar adventures, and I will see you very soon in our next video.